Question 4. A potential divider is normally connected, answer, outside the generator circuit towards the load circuit. Question, a magnet is able to attract nickel, cobalt and steel, etc. Question, pure metals generally have, answer, high conductivity and large temperature coefficient. Next question, the process of adding impurities to a semiconductor is known as, answer, doping. Next question, determine the value of produced MFF in ampere turns in a coil if the coil has 120 turns and carrying a current of 0.1 ampere. Answer is 12 ampere turns. Next question, which of the following motor is most suitable for signaling device and timer? Answer, reluctance motor. Next question, in addition to the actual running time between stop and speed of train that is estimated taking into accounts the time of stop at a station is known as scheduled speed.